import is when a country buys goods and services from another country. For example, products that are not made in the USA are produced in another country and brought to the USA. In this case, the products the USA gets from another country are called imports. Imagine the USA wants to buy cars from Japan. A company in Japan sends the cars it produced to the USA, and American people buy those cars. In this case, the USA is importing cars from Japan, and this results in money flowing out of the USA's economy. Imports allow a country to obtain products that are needed or in demand from abroad. Imports mean getting products that are not produced domestically or are more expensive to produce from another country. This usually allows consumers in the importing country to buy products at lower prices. Additionally, imports help a country strengthen its global trade relationships and its competitive position in the international market. However, if there are too many imports, it can lead to money flowing out of the country, potentially disrupting the economic balance. For example, the USA might import electronics or clothing from China. In this case, American consumers can buy these products at more affordable prices, but the USA also spends money to purchase these goods from another country. Imports often help lower prices in the domestic market and provide consumers with more choices.